Understanding, play a joke on, a fun guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the playful world of English phrases. We're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, play a joke on. This is a fun and common expression in English, and understanding it can add a dash of humor to your conversations. So, let's get started and unravel the joy of this phrase together. Play a joke on is an idiomatic expression used when someone does something to trick or deceive another person, usually in a humorous or light-hearted way. The key here is that the intention is to amuse, not to harm or embarrass. For example, if you hide your friend's phone and then reveal it with a laugh, you're playing a joke on them. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used. 1. Yesterday, I played a joke on my brother by putting salt in the sugar jar. He was so surprised when he tasted his coffee. 2. For April Fool's Day, we played a joke on our teacher by turning all the desks backwards before she came in. 3. Be careful with Mark. He loves to play jokes on people. You never know what he'll come up with next. It's important to understand the cultural context of this phrase. While playing a joke can be fun, it's crucial to ensure that it's appropriate for the situation and that everyone involved finds it funny. Cultural sensitivities and personal boundaries must always be respected. Remember, what's humorous in one culture or to one person might not be to another. And that's a wrap on Play a Joke On. I hope you found this exploration both informative and entertaining. English is full of such colorful expressions, and understanding them can really enrich your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to add a bit of humor to your conversations. See you in the next video.